वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल अहमद टेक इन्फो। आज इस वीडियो के अंदर हम बात करेंगे हाउ टू मेक मनी फ्रीलांसिंग वेबसाइट्स टू डू इट। तो आप लोग फ्रीलांसिंग किस तरह से कर सकते हैं, तो 9 वेबसाइट्स आप लोगों के साथ जहां पर आप लोग फ्रीलांसिंग कर सकते हैं शेयर करेंगे। वीडियो में आगे बढ़ने से पहले अगर आप लोग चैनल पर फर्स्ट टाइम आए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल नोटिफिकेशन को प्रेस कर दें। स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो को। Making money freelancing online is about finding something you can do that you are either an expert in or that someone else just does not want to do. This post about making money online as a freelancer is one of the most popular on the blog for a reason. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to launch your work from home story and the cash flow is immediate. That's a great benefit compared to other ways to make money online like blogging and self-publishing that take longer to pay off. Most of the bloggers I know, including myself, started their work from home success story by freelancing. They worked as online independent contractors to pay the bills while their other home based business took off. After just over 5 years, I do very little freelancing anymore. I don't need to. I make thousands of on my blogs and books. If you, I have got you covered. This post is the fourth of our week series on how to make money through different resources online. There are enough scams and wastes of time and internet side gigs, so I thought I would put together a series of legitimate ways to make money freelancing online. Check out the other posts in the series to make money freelancing or through other online resources. How to make money freelancing online. Freelancing is just another way of saying running your own business. You market your service to different sources, agree on contract terms, and perform your work for clients. Clients will most likely start out as one-time project requests but may come back to you for regular services. Why would you want to start freelancing online? Besides a great way to make extra cash, freelancing can be your ticket out of the 9 to 5 rat race. It's not that you will be able to stop working after launching your online freelancing business. In fact, you might find yourself working even more hours than you did with a traditional job. The difference is that you will be in control of your financial well being and will be doing something you enjoy. I talked about my own experience making money freelancing and how the hustle became my life in a previous post. Start your online freelancing business in something you are passionate about or enjoy doing, and you won't mind the work. You will work your butt off at first, but will come to love the challenge and idea of building your own business. What can you freelance? If you enjoy doing it, you can freelance it. Anything can be delivered over the internet is going to be easiest to freelance and can allow you to live wherever you want. This includes anything that can be delivered through writing, audio, video, or downloads. There is really two ways to make money freelancing. First is the job in which you can provide an expert service. This will require some time learning the subject on your part, but will pay off over the long run. It usually pays better rates because it involves more training and you can build a name for yourself for quality tutor, writing, sales, consulting, social media strategy, graphic design, website management, SEO strategy. The other type of freelancing job is one that people just don't want to do or where they can pay you to do it for cheap. These are going to road tasks like spreading a link around the internet, posting on social media, or some customer service tasks. These jobs pay quite as much, but money can start rolling in immediately without a lot of training. Repetitive SEO tasks, social media posting, article writing, lead generation, mailing list transcription. Of course, there is a fine line between the two types of freelancing jobs. What may start as a second type may develop into the first after you have learned enough to provide real expertise in the subject. A lot of freelancers offer both types of services to make some quick money in the road task while building their client list for tasks in the first type of jobs. तो फ्रीलांसिंग वगैरह क्या उसके ज़रिए से आप लोग कैसे अर्निंग कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। तो बाकी जो प्लेटफॉर्म वगैरह तो वो बात करें तो फाइवर आ जाता है आपके पास, अपवर्क आ जाता है, ठीक है। उसके बाद आपके पास ट्रिपल पर आवर आ जाता है, ठीक है। ये डिफरेंट वेबसाइट्स हैं आपके पास जहाँ से आप लोग जो है वो अर्निंग कर सकते हैं। 99designs.com भी है वेबसाइट आपके पास, यूडेमी वगैरह, यानी फाइवर है, ठीक है। डिफरेंट आपके पास हैं जहाँ से आप लोग फ्रीलांसिंग करके अर्निंग कर सकते हैं। तो अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो वीडियो को लाइक करें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर। हमें इजाज़त दीजिए। टेक केयर।